The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is a state-of-the-art robotic vacuum cleaner that combines advanced cleaning technology with intelligent navigation and automation capabilities. Designed to offer a hands-free cleaning solution, the Roomba i7 Plus stands out with its self-emptying base, powerful suction, and smart mapping features. One of the most notable features of the Roomba i7 Plus is its clean base automatic dirt disposal system. This system allows the Roomba i7 Plus to empty its dustbin automatically into a disposable bag located in the clean base, which can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This significantly reduces the need for frequent maintenance, making it an ideal choice for busy households. The Roomba i7 Plus is equipped with advanced navigation technology, including iAdapt 3.0 and vSLAM, visual simultaneous localization and mapping. These technologies enable the vacuum to create detailed maps of the home, which it uses to navigate efficiently and avoid obstacles. This smart mapping feature, known as Imprint Smart Mapping, allows the Roomba i7 Plus to learn and remember the layout of different rooms. Users can customize cleaning schedules for specific rooms and even designate areas as no-go zones through the iRobot Home app. In terms of cleaning performance, the Roomba i7 Plus features a high-efficiency filter that captures 99% of pollen, dust mites, and allergens. Its powerful suction and dual multi-surface rubber brushes are designed to handle various floor types, from carpets to hard floors, effectively picking up dirt, pet hair, and debris. The brushes are also tangle-free, making them ideal for homes with pets. The iRobot Home app enhances the user experience by providing remote control and monitoring capabilities. Users can start or stop cleaning cycles, set schedules, and view cleaning history from their smartphones. Additionally, the Roomba i7 Plus is compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for convenient voice control. Another significant advantage of the Roomba i7 Plus is its ability to work in tandem with other iRobot products, such as the Braiva Jet M6 robot mop. Through the Imprint Link technology, the Roomba i7 Plus can instruct the Braiva Jet M6 to start mopping after vacuuming is complete, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. Overall, the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus represents a significant advancement in robotic vacuum technology. Its self-emptying feature, intelligent mapping, and robust cleaning capabilities make it a top choice for those seeking an efficient, low-maintenance cleaning solution for their home.